everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, on this video we are going to be making moi moi. Yes, so moi moi can be eaten alone. It can also be eaten with rice or pap. So guys, that is what we are going to be making on this video. Over there I have my beans. I've already washed and cleaned my beans. So I have about 3 cups of beans there. I have some eggs there and some microfish. I also have some red bell pepper and onions with some atarodo in there. Over here is my blended crayfish, and also have my prawns here. So I'm going to be adding it to it. So as time goes on, I'm going to introduce the other ingredients to you. So first of all, guys, I'm going to be adding my fish into my pot because I'm going to season this fish with some. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning to it because I need a meat stock of this fish. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my white onions powder to it. I'm adding little because the all-purpose seasoning already have a lot of seasoning, so that is why I just decided to add a little. So what I'm going to be doing is to add some water to it while we transfer it into our gas. So guys, we are going to incorporate everything together. I'm going to be turning it right away. Nothing to waste. So what I'm going to do now is to add my crayfish, blended crayfish to it. I'm going to add it on. I'm going to make sure that everything is well incorporated, and I'm also going to be adding a few water to it, maybe about 1 tablespoon or so, because it's very thick. I don't like my my beans cake to be very thick. So I'm going to be adding some water to it. This is my stock, guys. Remember the stock we make today with the fish. It's what I just added now. So guys, what I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil into it now because it's already well mixed, as you guys can see. Looks so yummy. So I've already just warm it on the gas. So I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of my vegetable oil into it. That should be enough. And I'm going to be adding my fish, the boiled fish, because I deboiled it and removed the bowl out of it. So this is where I'm going to be putting it. So I'm going to, just use oil to rub it off camera. Guys, our moi moi beans cake is ready, guys. So let's see how it looks in there. Let's just open one. Okay, let's open this and see how it looks. So I brought it out from the gas. I removed it from the gas for about 30 minutes ago, so I just allow it to cool down, though it's still hot. I said let me show you guys. This is it. It's so yummy, guys. This is so inviting, so inviting. Me looking at it alone is so inviting, yummy, tasty. So with this, you can soak it with your garri. You guys know that with Ijebu Ode garri. Oh my goodness! Or those white garri. Or you can just take your rice. Or you can even make a pack with it. Just prepare your pack and sit down with this. Oh my goodness! This morning I ate pap. If not, I would have just prepared pap again. And if you know you are hungry and you live around my vicinity, don't forget to hit my subscribe button. Don't forget to press my bell. So we have many years, so we can work it together. And if you know today is your first time coming across my video, maybe you have never seen me before, and this is the first time you are seeing, why not click the red button that says subscribe, like, and share? And you are going to be a part of this family, part of this wonderful and lovely family. Here we do cooking. Here we cook a lot. Here we cook all type of Africa food. We are not only based on one food. We prepare all type of Africa, delicious meal here. This is how it looks inside. So yummy, guys, tasty, and it looks so delicious. This is a must try. I already have a video of moi moi before. I'm going to try and link it under this video so that you guys can watch it. If you have never watched that video, you can also watch it. It looks so yummy. This is almost the same process, but the only thing I changed is just the the plastic I used to wrap it, because that one I use our native, which is called a beer paper, to wrap it. But this one I use take away gift to wrap this. So that is it for this guy. Thank you all so much. See, may the good Lord bless you all. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye bye.